This conference will now be recorded.
All right, good day, everyone. I am Steve Suminski on behalf of Wealth Foundations Northwest. I'd like to talk to you about the Batman trade. Ooh, it's got such a cool name because it's such a cool trade. Just a quick reminder that your trades are yours, not ours. We don't act as advisors in any way, shape, or form. Trading does, in fact, involve risk. And this is me. I've been around the block. I've been teaching and trading a very, very long time. And this is a strategy that I learned from someone who is also a very, very experienced trader. Feel free to reach out to me, go to our website, what have you. And I have the heart of a teacher because my dad was a teacher. I have students that have been following me for years and years because I really help bring a real world experience to everything that I teach on a weekly basis. And I patiently do so and bring people along. That's what someone did for me. Now, let me talk to you about the Batman trade. So cool. And what I love about this trade is that it has upside potential of a directional trade. Okay, this is a little bit more of an advanced trade. Okay, for you people that have got a little bit of experience with options. And it's, as you know, that when you do directional trades, you've got to be directionally correct. I mean, that's where you get the big wins when you can be directionally pick a direction and put up a debit and buy that option and get the big win. Well, this has the upside potential of a directional trade, but you don't have to pick a direction. You can simply say, hey, I think it'll, stay in the middle. I think it'll go one way or the other way, or I don't care. I think it's going to more or less stay in, some kind of a pretty wide range, and it pays a credit. Okay, but unlike an iron condor or directional credit trade, this one has more upside potential. Okay, not because when you do a credit trade, a normal credit trade, the most you can make is the amount of the credit. Well, this one has the potential to pay you more and still give you the high probability of a win that you would expect from a credit trade. Wow. And it's repeatable, it's great for cash flow, and it's something that you can do over and over again. Now, I want to share with you the details of this because it is a great way to trade low stress. Put this strategy on, watch it. It's like watching paint dry. It's, if anything, it's a little bit boring, but it's low stress. That's the important thing. You don't have to freak out when you put these trades on. And the reason we call it the Batman trade is because it has a P&L graph that looks like this. So you put it on usually when the price is somewhere in the middle here. And if it stays in this area, you're going to get a small credit and keep a small credit at the end of the trade. And if it moves towards it goes too far, a little bit too far bullish, you have the chance to make big money. Or if it goes a little bit, too far bearish, not too far, but a little bit bearish, a little bit more bearish maybe than you expected, you can make big money on that side too. So this looks like the cowl of Batman with the ears, right? And so you got this wide range of profitability, and if it threatens to be unprofitable, you'll get this speed bump of big profit before you get there. So it gives you lots of ability to manage or get out if it starts to go too far against you, because any loss potential is going to be if it's really extreme move up or really extreme down. There has to be a place where you can lose money because every trade has a place where you can lose money. But don't you love this structure? The fact that you've got a wide range of profitable outcomes, high probability of winning, and if it kind of threatens you a little bit, you have a chance to win big. Okay, and lots of ability to manage or close the trade if it just seems to be going like doing something really bizarre and really extreme. So that, folks, in a nutshell, describes what the Batman trade can do for you. And if you want to know more details about the Batman trade, well, sign up for my hands-on education. Okay. I will be there to do a weekly prepper webinar for you at the beginning of each week. Tell you whether I'm bullish, bearish, sideways, any major announcements, any earnings, anything that I think could affect the markets. Your weekly trading lab webinar where I go through some more detailed focus really just on new trades, basically, and a weekly power education webinar where I continue to expand your knowledge, all the different strategies that you can do, and these specific trades. I send them out all throughout the week via email. So you can get an email with a trade alert on any given day, and 10 hours of basic option primer videos for those of you who may be new to options, never traded an option before. I've got you covered. I will teach you and give you as many of my past power training webinars as you can handle. I'll send them right to you and give you, and this is really important, give you some email support. If you have a question about a trade or how to manage a trade, I'm there for you, and via email. So this is easily a $500 value per month, and I am discounting it to get you involved for only $135 a month. No contract, cancel at any time. And it's not hard to cancel either. I don't make it hard. You send me an email, say, Steve, I want to cancel. Okay, you're out. Okay, that's fine. But sign up today. And if you do that, I'm doing a special here. I will refund your first month up front. As soon as you pay it, I'll send it right back to you. First month will be on me. Zero risk, absolutely free for 30 full days, not a week, not 2 weeks, 30 full days. And so go to my Wealth Foundations NW.com. That's NW for Northwest, Wealth Foundations Northwest. Smash that join now button. You've got nothing to lose. Give it a shot. Check it out. You make money on the trades, you keep going. You don't make money on the trades, you say, Steve, that was fun. I learned something, but I'm going to be on my way. And that's fine. We'll part friends, but it probably won't happen. Like I say, I've got some very, very loyal students. Years they've been with me, years. And I had one student just tell me last month, that I've decided to be with you for life. I'm going to always be with you, Steve. So you're not sure yet? Go ahead and email me. We'll talk about it. We'll see what kind of experience you have, what's right for you, try to see if I can help you in any way. On behalf of Wealth Foundations Northwest, it's been my pleasure to have been your coach today. Good luck and good trading, everybody. Take care. Bye bye.